last year I was in LA and I was like, you know, not as fun as this year. So thank you for spending Halloween with me. Emmy.
Wait, that makes me so happy.
Yeah, like last year I was just trick-or-treating alone, and
Why
this
am I
year
about to
so-
cry?
Don't worry. It was so much better, but hanging out with you. Oh,
Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I said I'd never.
no, you're amazing. Thank you for hanging out with me.
Thank you.
Can't change the way my